Hey guys, so it's time for a Xiaomi video again. This time, it's the Xiaomi Redmi S2 offering a budget price but with some premium features. It's like a mix of several Xiaomi phones together that becomes a Redmi S2. Snapdragon 625, Adreno 506, 5.99-inch 720p display, fingerprint sensor, and a modest 3080 mAh battery. It also features dual 15MP and 8MP back camera and a 16MP front camera for selfies. As for the internals, it's running Android 8.1 on top of MIUI 9. It's having global ROM from the box, and I'm not too sure if it's the real deal, but I'll check it out. Other than that, it looks and feels pretty much like a Xiaomi phone. Full metal body and some little details like the double antenna lines. It costs around 220 Singapore dollars for the 32GB and 3GB RAM model. That's all for this short video. Let's see if the Redmi S2 is worth it when I have fully caressed and played with it. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss the full review. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.